Hi everyone! Welcome to part 3 of our Mandarin vocabulary learning series. Today, we're going to learn 5 essential words, complete with example sentences and meanings. Let's get started. 1.
吃
To eat.
他正在吃苹果
He is eating an apple.
他
He.
正在
In the middle of currently.
吃
To eat.
苹果
Apple. 2.
出租车
Taxi.
他坐出租车去机场
She took a taxi to the airport.
他
She.
坐
To ride take a vehicle.
出租车
Taxi.
去
To go.
机场
Airport. 3.
打电话
To make a phone call.
你可以给我打电话吗
Can you give me a call?
你
You.
可以
Can may.
给
To for.
我
Me I.
打电话
To call make a phone call.
吗
Question particle. 4.
大
Big.
这是一只大熊
This is a big bear.
这
This.
是
Is to be.
一只
One measure word for animals.
大
Big.
熊
Bear. 5.
的
Possessive or descriptive particle.
这是我的书
This is my book.
这
This.
是
Is.
我
I me.
的
Possessive particle.
书
Book. Don't forget to download the Hanzi writing practice sheet in the video description. See you in part 4.
再见